Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to unbox our newly item. This is BOYA Lavalier Omni-directional condenser microphone model BY-M1 for DSLR camera smartphone. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much to Sonic Shake for making this video possible. Yes, it's sonic-shake.com. Sonic Shake is specialized in smartphone microphone, wireless microphone system, mixers, camera accessories, and even professional shotgun microphone. Ayan, if naghahanap kayo ng mga quality microphone and accessories, i-visit nyo lang yung kanilang official store, yung link nasa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa Sonic Shake sa kanilang mga product. And today, meron tayo ditong BOYA Lavalier model BY-M1. If nagbabala kayong bumili na to, this is it. This is for you. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And kapag decided na kayo bumili na to, yung link nasa description din, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, this is their parcel from Sonic Shake, and as always, ayan, this is their packaging from Sonic Shake, and in the package, meron dito nakasulat na BOYA, yung pinaka-brand, and yung model is BY-M1. I-open na natin siya and let's see what's inside the box. But before that, yung kanyang mga specification ay eto po. Ayan. Basahin nyo siya and yan yung kanyang mga specifications and features. So inside the box ay meron tayong English user manual. Ayan, it's written in English. And meron siyang pouch. Ayan. And meron siyang warranty card. This item ay meron siyang 1-year BOYA brand product warranty. It's amazing. Ayan. So, dun sa pouch ay this is your BOYA Omni-directional Lavalier condenser microphone. Ayan. So, sobrang haba niya and maganda siya kung mahaba. Meron siyang lapel clip. This is 1/4 adapter 3.5mm to 6.5mm. Foam windshield. And meron na siyang LR44 battery. And there you have it, guys. That is our unboxing of BOYA Lavalier model BY-M1. Yan yung makikita nyo inside the box. And I am so surprised na yung length ng kanyang audio cable ay sobrang haba niya. This is up to 6 meter length and it's so amazing. And as I promised, bibigyan natin siya ng a little bit review. Alright guys, super simple lang i-set up itong BOYA Lavalier BY-M1. All you need to do ay open nyo muna itong lalagyanan ng kanyang battery at ilagay nyo yung kanyang battery. And i-plug nyo sa inyong camera. This is plug and play. And then, i-plug and play nyo rin siya sa inyong mobile phone kung sa mobile phone nyo naman siya ilalagay. And meron siya ditong options kung camera ba or smartphone yung inyong gagamitin. So, ilalagay nyo lang siya sa camera. If gagamitin nyo siya sa camera, i-option nyo lang yung smartphone and you are ready to go. Pwede nyo nang gamitin ang inyong BOYA Lavalier BY-M1 for your audio input. And there you have it, guys. Ayan, ganyan lang siya i-set up. Napaka simple lang siyang i-set up. All you need to do ay i-plug and play nyo lang siya sa inyong input ng inyong camera or ng inyong mobile phone. And meron siya ditong options dalawa. Kung camera ba or smartphone yung gagamitin nyo, ipipiliin nyo lang yung options kung ano yung inyong gagamitin na gadget. And right now, itetesting natin siya sa ating camera audio and sa ating mobile audio para rinig natin yung kanyang quality. And right now, I am using the internal microphone of my camera. And i-compare natin siya dito sa ating BOYA Lavalier BY-M1. Alright, right now I am using the BOYA Lavalier BY-M1. And ilalagay ko siya dito sa aking damit. Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang audio quality ng BOYA Lavalier BY-M1. And as you can see and heard, itatap ko siya. Ayan. Gumagana yung ating audio sa ating camera. And ito yung kanyang quality kapag ginamit nyo siya sa input ng inyong audio camera. And as I observe kanina, pinakinggan ko siya, tinest ko muna siya bago ko siya ipakita sa inyo or iparinig. And for me, napakaganda nung pick up ng kanyang audio kahit mahina yung inyong boses. And mapipick up niya talaga yung audio ng quality ay napaka-clear niya. And it's so amazing. Again, this is the audio quality of BOYA Lavalier BY-M1 using the input of our camera. So, naka-plug and play to dito sa ating camera at ito yung kanyang audio quality. And right now, I am using the internal microphone of my mobile phone. Ayan. Right now, ginagamit kong camera ay yung ating mobile phone. At ito yung kanyang quality ng internal microphone. And itetest naman natin itong BOYA Lavalier BY-M1. Mic check, mic test, mic. And right now, I am using my mobile phone. So right now, ito yung ating quality ng microphone na BOYA. As you can see. Ayan, nag-work siya, naka-plug and play siya sa aking mobile phone. So hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng everything or ng kahit ano, as in plug and play lang siya. Saksak and play. Ayan. Saksak and record lang yung ating ginawa. So ito yung quality again ng BOYA Lavalier Omni-directional condenser microphone model BY-M1 for DSLR camera smartphone. And there you have it, guys. That is our unboxing of BOYA Lavalier Omni-directional condenser microphone model BY-M1 for DSLR camera smartphone. Again, kapag decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link nasa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. And i-check nyo na rin yung kanilang other products kapag naghahanap kayo ng ibang quality microphone, and it will be amazing. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Be one of the extraordinary people, subscribe to my channel. I-ring nyo na rin yung notification bell para kapag meron tayong bagong videos like this and everything, mananotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!